Okay guys, in this training we're going to go over how to use the new credit check and address verification piece that we're rolling out. So in the past we did all of this through the contact object. Created a new contact, that's how we were able to run the credit and verify the address with ADT. This change, we've actually put it all into the lead object, which is up here on the top right of the tabs. So to start a brand new one, we're going to hit leads. And it'll show you all your leads if you want, recently viewed leads. You can make this kind of your default if you want to see who you've already checked. We're going to create a new one. So we're going to go to a new lead. And certain info is required, and that's marked with the red. So the sales rep commission. Same thing as the contact, you can just choose there. A lot hasn't changed with this. We're going to do the first name, last name. The lead status, you're just going to leave that as open, and the lead source you just want to make sure is door-to-door. That's going to be like the sales reps that are calling in. Phone and email are optional. Birth month, birthday, and you just type in the birth year. The last four of the social is required, but if they don't have it, you can just type in 8888, and this time that will not create an issue as it did in the past. The house number, so again, this is just like the contact, it's just the numbers only. I'm going to use one that we actually have. The quadrant, if there is one, so that would be west, and the street name, and then the street type. And just like before, you do have to put in the zip and the state, the city and state down here on this second part, but it should pre-populate it. And then you just leave the street part blank, just like the contact. If the person has been at the address for 2 years, or less than 2 years, then it does now have a spot for a previous address. And this is where you would fill that in, right? We're going to uncheck this assign using active assignment rules. I'm going to try and get that gone so you don't have to uncheck that every time, and we're going to hit save. And now we can make our edits from here, we could clone it from here, but what we're going to do is we're going to hit the feed button to run the credit.